What's up guys, I'm Kueh from Taste of Asian Food. Seri Muka is a Malaysian dessert consisting of 2 layers. The custard layer is infused with pandan extract, sitting on a glutinous rice base flavored with coconut milk. The contrasting flavor of these 2 layers makes it a delightful dessert. Now, Seri Muka means smooth and beautiful face, as the surface is shiny and smooth. Let's get into the details of how to prepare these Malaysian desserts. Let's start by preparing the rice layer, since it takes time to soak the rice. Place the glutinous rice in a large bowl and add water to cover it. Let it sit for 2 hours or more so that the rice is soft and easier to cook through. While we are soaking the rice, let's prepare the custard layer. Get 50 grams of pandan leaf and cut them with scissors into small pieces. Place the leaf in a blender. Add about 250 ml or about 1 cup of water and grind finely. Pour the pandan juice through a wire mesh strainer to get a clean extract. Discard the leaves. Let the extract pass through the strainer twice for the best results. If you do not have pandan leaves, try to get the pandan extract and follow the bottle's instruction. Get 3 large eggs. Beat the eggs lightly and avoid creating too many bubbles. Combine the sugar, regular flour, cornstarch, pandan extracts, coconut milk, and beaten eggs in a mixing bowl. The goal is to combine all the ingredients without creating bubbles. Pour the custard mixture into a small pot through a wire mesh strainer to catch all the lumps that may exist. Cook the custard mixture over low heat to about 30% cook until the first lump appears. It should be thick enough to coat the back of the spoon but still pourable. This change will happen when it is about 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat immediately once it reaches this temperature. I've soaked the rice for 2 hours, so now I drain the rice and place it in a mixing bowl. Season the rice with salt and sugar. Then add the coconut milk and water. Make sure the coconut milk and water is just drown the glutinous rice. Otherwise, there will be not enough liquid to cook through the rice. Next, pour the rice mixture and use a spoon to level it. Tuck a piece of pandan leaf into the rice. Steam the glutinous rice over medium heat for about 30 minutes or until the rice is soft and fluffy. Check the rice if it is cooked. If it isn't, Drizzle 2 tablespoons of water and steam for another 5 to 10 minutes until it is fully cooked. After the glutinous rice has cooked, remove the pandan leaves. Flatten the glutinous rice with the back of a spoon or the dough cutter and press it down to form a tight layer. It will ensure the custard does not leak through it, ruin your layers. And keep it warm if the custard layers is not ready. Scrape the surface of the glutinous rice layer with a fork so that the surface becomes slightly uneven. The uneven surface helps to let the custard layer stick to it firmly. Now assemble the glutinous rice and the custard layers. Pour the thickened custard on the packed glutinous rice layer while it is still hot. And remember to pour pass through a wire mesh strainer to remove any lumps. Try to pour the custard mixture as close to the rice as possible to prevent bubbles. Rice must be hot and moist when the custard is added. If not, the two layers won't stick together. Use the corner of a paper towel to break all the bubbles. Cover the Seri Muka with aluminum foil, which helps prevent water condensation from dropping onto the surface, causing an uneven appearance. Reduce heat to the lowest possible with the steamers covered slightly ajar if necessary. The best way is to be patient. High heat will create an uneven surface. You can cover and continue steaming it if the center is not fully set. The Seri Muka is done when inserting a toothpick and coming out clean. It should take about 40 minutes to an hour. Remove the Seri Muka, set it aside to cool thoroughly. Cut the Seri Muka into pieces with a knife or a plastic dough cutter wiped with oil to prevent sticking. Seri Muka is a dainty and delightful dessert that is fragrant, sweet, and full of texture. It is sold in the morning market, school canteens, and traditional cake shops. Try it and I hope you will love it. Please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up and share it on social media. That's all for now, and I will see you again in another video soon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.